What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you an easy way to do one of my favorite things, and that's to save money. I'm going to be showing you the top 5 browser extensions that will help you save or earn money every time you shop online. You'll probably recognize some of these, but others will definitely be new, so make sure you stick around to the end of the video to see my favorite extension. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. It really helps to grow my channel, and I personally appreciate it. Now let's go ahead and get started. Alright, we're going to jump right in here. I'm going to cover each of these pretty quickly so you can go ahead and start saving money as soon as this video is done. Coming in at number 5 is the PayPal Honey app, which is a popular browser extension that automatically applies coupon codes at checkout. It works on thousands of websites and it can save you a lot of money over time. All you have to do is shop normally and Honey will take care of finding and applying the coupons upon checkout when you have the browser extension installed. Even if you don't want to use the browser extension, if you come up here to the website, joinhoney.com/explore, you can see that you can search for specific stores or items right here in the search bar and see different kind of deals that you have going on. You can also scroll down and see some of the editor's picks and various deals and cashback options that they have with their partners. So go ahead and check this one out today. My number 4 pick comes with an added bonus for you Amazon shoppers. This is the Cently app by CouponFollow. And you can use this just as you would with another browser extension. This will apply coupons and discounts at checkout, but with an added bonus that I'm going to show you right here. So if you pull up Amazon, you can see I do have a random laptop that I just searched for here. And you do see the Cently logo with the best price indicator right there. So if I go back here and click on another one, let this load up, you'll see the check-in prices pop up there next to the Cently app, and it's working hard for you here, and it's still working. It likes to take its time and be thorough, and there you go, save 402 if you go ahead and buy it from another reseller. So what this will do is it'll do the work for you. If you're shopping on Amazon, it'll make sure you're getting the best price for the same product with the same specs, and you can go ahead and add it to your cart and just automatically save some money. All right, on to number 3. This one is specifically for you Amazon shoppers. Amazon is the #1 online retailer in the world, so I really want to make sure I'm covering my bases. This is the Camelizer app by Camel. It is an Amazon price tracking browser extension. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you an example of what this can do right here. Going over to Amazon, you can see I have the HyperX Quadcast condenser microphone pulled up as an example. So once I'm on the page for the product that I want to do some research on, I'm just going to go ahead and click on the Camelizer extension up here in the corner, and you can see that it's pulling up the price history for this microphone. I can filter it by 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, or all time. So I do have all time selected, and the current price is $100.99. You can see the lowest price was $69.99, right around Black Friday and Thanksgiving and all that, November 19, 2023, and the highest price was February 5th, 2020. So you can see the price history, get a good idea if you're paying a fair price or not. You can also look at third-party new prices and third-party used prices if you want to get a refurbished microphone or product, something like that. So this is a really great way to just track the price history and see if you're getting a fair deal. Coming in at number 2 is the Capital One Shopping browser extension. And the great thing about this is you don't even have to have a Capital One credit card to use this extension or use its benefits. So if you come to CapitalOneShopping.com, you can see a lot like the other sites. You can search for a product or a brand directly up here. You can see the various deals that are going on and see if any of them tickle your fancy. If not, all you have to do is have the browser extension enabled up here. I have the Best Buy website pulled up as an example. So I'm browsing what Best Buy, I'm looking for my products. Once I get to checkout, you can see all these various codes that are available to you, and then you can just apply them at checkout, save some money. The other great thing about this is that you could accumulate points and actually use them to redeem gift cards as well. Finally, in at number 1 is Rakuten, the king or queen of online shopping browser extensions. This thing is absolutely amazing. It's a money-saving machine. I'm going to show you the website and then show you how it works in action and how it can save you so much money literally for doing absolutely nothing different than just shopping online. So first, here we are at the Rakuten.com website. just like the other websites. You can see you can search for stores, products, and coupons up here. You have some favorites and visited cashback options. But let's go ahead and just show you what this can do. So if I want to go to a website like Samsung.com, go ahead and go to the website. You can see the Rakuten extension automatically pops up when you are have it enabled, and you just have to click right here, activate 10% cash back. There are terms and inclusions of course, but you just need to make sure that it applies to whatever you're purchasing. And then you do nothing different. You just go ahead, go about your business, shop. Once you are finished with your transaction, it's just going to be added to your Rakuten account. Every 3 months, you're going to get a direct deposit, a check, or a PayPal with that money that you saved right there. So that's really, really a great option just to make money for doing nothing different at all. Another way you can really use this is if you just Google a certain product. So I just pulled up Acer laptop. Of course, there's a lot of Acer laptops, but if you just scroll down here, you can actually see the Rakuten extension will pull this up and tell you how much cash back you could earn from these different stores. So you can see on the Acer store, I could get 3% cash back. Best Buy, I could get 1% cash back. Walmart 3%, Office Depot 6%. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and probably filter out which laptop I want, make a more specific Google search query here, and then just figure out which way I could get the best deal. And really helps a lot just based on how much money you're going to get back from Rakuten. So this is the absolute best browser extension for online shopping in my opinion. Really, really good. I've saved a lot of money using this, and you can too. Just go into Rakuten.com and get this browser extension, and you're good to go. All right, before we go, I just want to leave you with one more little bit of information here. If you go to chromewebstore.google.com/category/extensions, for all you Google Chrome users, you can search for a lot of productivity and lifestyle extensions that will save you money, but also help you be more productive, help you be creative, provide a lot of information. So really, really helpful website to have and use if you are a Google Chrome user. Of course, if you use another browser, there are other websites available to you as well. I just happen to be a Chrome user, so wanted to pitch this one here. I really appreciate you watching the video. If you do find it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment. And please let me know if you have any other topics you want me to cover, and I'll see you all in the next one.